The challenges are vast. The solution is divine. Our mission is one: to bring down His glory. When we engage in congregational worship, we are bound to experience the strange acts of God upon the earth. Felix Global Services presents Sounds of Praise, a global gospel music evangelism ministry aimed at stirring a revival and spiritual awakening amongst God's people, with the intent to strengthen our faith in God and enable us overcome the diverse challenges that threatens our hope of eternity.
Give me Jesus.
Sounds of Praise offer a transborder platform for deep intimacy with God and sustained fellowship through soul-lifting music ministrations. Join us as we embark on a global movement of all races and nationalities to lift souls out of obscurity, depression, and hopelessness into the kingdom of His dear Son, Jesus, where we have a hope of salvation and a future for all. For more information, visit our social media handles or send an email to. You can also call the Sound of Praise team on +44 0790 852 9263. Sounds of Praise, getting the people to see His glory.